In this project, 60-second theme video, I'm going to talk about what you need to do in order to complete this assignment. So the first thing that I want you to do is to watch the example to get an idea of what exactly I'm looking for in this project. What we're doing is we're creating a 60-second theme video that will include music and sound effects, different clips, title page, production sign-on, and each clip has to be a maximum of 4 seconds. If you go any more than 4 seconds, people tend to get bored with a clip. So when you're watching a highlight film, if it's sports or if it's cats or whatever it might be, usually the clip doesn't last longer than 4 seconds. So use about 5 different sound effects and background music throughout the entire thing. And then on Friday, we'll have a chance to watch these in class. So the first thing you need to do is decide on what theme you would like to start with. So I did include the requirements sheet for this as well, so you can kind of look at what we're looking for here. So here's the requirements. 15 clips, production sign-on, title page, sound effects, background music. You got to tag each video. What that basically means is add a text number to each video. So when we're watching it, it'll be 1 and 2, and then I'll be able to know you have 15 clips, but also just it could be a 15 clip countdown if you wanted to go that route too. Transition between each video clip, that's up to you. You don't have to do that, but that's up to you. And then avoid rookie mistakes. Rookie mistakes means when you're doing a screen recording, we see your mouse in the screen, or you didn't do a screen recording long enough, so then the video comes on and it pauses for a second and then it plays. We want to avoid those. Those are rookie mistakes, so make sure you don't do any of those. Okay? All right, so there's the requirements. So where do you start? You're going to start with what do you want to do? And then from there, you're going to use QuickTime Player like we did before already, and you're going to start recording your clips. So I'm going to use someone that I already have recorded on here. So these are ones that I have recorded here from the other day, and what I'm going to do is kind of demonstrate what we're looking to do here. So for this clip here, I'm going to drag this down here for one clip. I need to decide on 4 seconds that I want to have. So let's say that I want from here to here. All right, now I have my 4 seconds. That's one way you can cut it down, or the other thing you can do is you can always split the clip, Command B, and then you have, okay, 3.9. That's anywhere between 3.8 and 4.2 is fine. So now I have my clip. Now I'm ready to add the next one. So let's say this was my next clip right here. I could drag it down here, clip it down to size on what I want, and keep going. Okay? You're going to keep doing that. Now here are the requirements for the clips. You cannot use a highlight film that's already out there. You have to record your separate clips on their own. So you're going to have 15 screen recordings. You can only use a total of 3 videos from one video that's already out there. So let's say I looked up a Kevin Garnett highlight film. I can only use 3 clips from that video. Now I could use a different KG video clip to get 3 more, but the maximum you can get from one video is 3. Okay? So now you're going to have 15 clips. Make sure they're down to size. Then you need to find some music that matches this nicely. Now when you're doing a screen recording, it usually picks up the noise that's around the computer. So if I play this here, and then that was my voice from recording the other day. What I can do is I can go right underneath the clip, grab this line and drag it down, and then now when I play it, you don't hear anything. So that's what you'll need to do to your clips as well. Turn those sounds down. Okay? So let's review just to make sure we have it. We need to pick a theme. Then from there, import our videos into iMovie, edit them down to 4 seconds, and then look at the rest of the requirements. You can begin adding a tag, which are just different titles. You can add a title page, is what you drag in front of your first video, and 5 sound effects is what we're looking for, and background music. If there's any questions, please let me know.